The beauty of your oiled furniture needs to be maintained by regular re-oiling. How often depends on the room temperature and humidity. Usually it's every 6 months. It's easy to tell when it's time the surface is dry and rough. Make sure the table is dry and completely free of dirt. Sand the whole surface with fine sandpaper in the direction of the grain, applying pressure equally. Be careful not to press too hard on the edges to avoid sanding the edges down too much. Wipe off all the dust. Prepare your sponge and cloths and shake the can of oil. Then apply the oil in a thick, even layer. Wipe the area with a cloth immediately after applying the oil and polish it with a different cloth. Allow the table to dry at room temperature for 24 hours. The room needs to be well ventilated. After this, you can start using your table immediately, or if you wish, apply another layer of oil. For safety reasons, wash the cloths in water, then throw them away. Done. Now enjoy looking at your beautiful piece of Thon furniture for months to come.